Hello kids, welcome to Kids Education with Fun। प्यारे बच्चों, आइए कुछ कलर्स सीखते हैं। These are our colors: light green color, dark green color, red color, dark blue color, pink color, yellow color, orange color, sky blue color, violet color, black color, dark brown color, purple color। आइए बच्चों ड्रॉ करते हैं 2D shapes। Let's draw 2D shapes। This is heart। Circle, triangle। क्या है बच्चों? This is triangle। Let's draw a star। आइए बच्चों स्टार ड्रा करते हैं। This is a star। We are drawing a pentagon। क्या है बच्चों? Pentagon। अब ड्रा कर रहे हैं एक heptagon, 7 sides। This is heptagon, 7 sides। These are our colors। This is pink color। Let's color the heart। Beautiful pink color heart। Let's color the star। कौन सा कलर है बच्चों? This is yellow color। This is yellow color star। Yellow color star। ये कौन सा कलर है बच्चों? This is brown color। Let's color the circle। We are coloring a circle। हम सर्कल को कलर कर रहे हैं बच्चों। We are coloring a circle। This is a circle। Dark brown color। Circle। Pink color। Let's color the pentagon। This is Pentagon। Pink color, light green color। Let's color the triangle। Light green color triangle। Purple color। Let's color the heptagon। Is purple color heptagon। We have done। आइए बच्चों रिवाइज करते हैं। हार्ट, सर्कल, ट्राइंगल, स्टार, पेंटागन, heptagon। Do the same practice, like this video, share it and subscribe our channel। Thanks for watching। Bye bye।